Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And you guessed it, we're not catching today, we're cooking. So what are we cooking today? We are going to be cooking a nice lamb, boneless lamb. This should be pretty fun. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. Let's get started. Got my old man glasses on my shirt. You weren't supposed to see that, but oh well. Here we go. Okay, before I show you what ingredients I'm using, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all. I already cross-hatched it. Looks pretty good. That way that seasoning can get down to that meat a little bit better. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to use. Yes, I just wiped my hands off. So first we're going to use some balsamic vinaigrette. You know that lamb is a very gamey meat, so you want to kind of tone that down just a little bit, and you can be a little generous with this. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe too generous, not really. We'll rub that in just like that. And that's good. Okay, next we're going to be using, you guessed it, Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub. Y'all know I put that on everything, just like this. I like putting that all over it. Perfect. Heath Riles, get at me if you see this, that'd be great. Next we're going to hit it with a little bit of, sea salt. Hit it with the sea salt. Give it a good little sprinkle of the sea salt. Lastly, we're going to hit it with some Italian season. It's more so because it has the oregano in it. That's what we're going for. And definitely douse that down pretty heavy like that. Yeah, just like so. Don't want to come out of there. Get out of there. Now. Perfect, 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 perfect. Great. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, we are ready to go ahead and throw this on the smoke. I've got the char griller going at 225. You can cook this really high, like 400 or so. I'm not going to do that. Low and slow for me. That's the way I like to do it. I'm going to throw this on here one-handed, just like that. We'll pack it up nice and neat. There we go. Sorry. Pack that thing up nice and neat. We're going to let this thing roll until it reaches an internal of 135. Now I know what you're probably thinking. It does actually need to be 145, but we're going to pan sear this, so that's going to bring that temperature right on up. That's what we're going to do, so we'll be back as soon as it's ready. Alright, so we reached the internal temp of 235. We pulled it off the smoke. We're pan searing it now. Getting ready to flip this bad boy. It won't be long, we'll be cutting this thing up. Alright everybody, it is all done. I went ahead and got it sliced up straight out of the pan. Here it is. Looking amazing. And we're going to add a little pesto to it. Because everybody needs a little pesto, right? Oh, I do believe we do. A little pesto. That's it. It's only one last thing to do, and that's to try it. So, anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Really enjoyed cooking this. Easy cook. Also, just want to send a little shout out. Thank y'all for all the prayers and thoughts for our family during this time. Thank you very much for reaching out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.